Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is Afternoon on a Hill. I repeat, our today's topic is poem Afternoon on a Hill, reading plus discussion. Dear students, look at the picture. So look here. Here we see a beautiful afternoon. Okay, that means this picture tells us about a beautiful afternoon. Now all of you open your Bajwar book. You will open your Bajwar book at page number 82. So all of you open this book, your Bajwar communicative book, and page number 82. Okay, I think all of you have opened your Bajwar book page number 82, because in this page you will get the beautiful poem Afternoon on a Hill. So give your attention. Look here. Look the title, it is Afternoon on a Hill. Yes, I have already told that this picture tells us about a beautiful afternoon on a hill. So look, I am reading. I will be the gladest things. Here I represents the speaker. Speaker represents the Edna St. Vincent Millay. Edna St. Vincent Millay. Okay, she is the speaker here, I. That means I represents the speaker. I will be the gladest things. Here look at the word, it is gladdest. In the word meaning I have given the meaning of the gladdest. Gladdest means happiest. Look, gladdest means happiest. I will be the happiest things under the sun. That means speaker is telling here that she will be the happiest or the gladdest under the sun. I will touch 100 flowers. So look here, that means here it is seen that she will touch 100 flowers and not pick one. Okay, dear students, look here, that means she will touch all the flowers, that means 100 flowers, but she will not pick a single one. Look at the meaning, picked. To grasp or hold something tightly and pulled with the fingers. I repeat, the meaning of pick is to grab something hold tightly and pulled with the fingers. Here speaker is telling us that she will not pick a single one. Next, that means after 4 lines there is little space. We will go to the next page. I will look at cliffs. I will look at cliffs and clouds. So look at the meaning cliffs. Cliffs means high rocks. Cliffs means high rocks with steep sides. So look at the meaning that steeps. Steeps means vertical sides, usually close to the sea. So cliffs means, I am telling again, high rocks with steep sides, usually close to the sea. As the poem is taken, as the poem setting is afternoon on a hill, that means hilly areas. Okay, so look here, it is high rocks with steep sides. So steeps means they are vertical sides which is close to the rocks or the high mountain areas, usually close to the sea. Next, watch the wind bow down the grass here. That means definitely here the wind is very much gentle and calm. Watch that, that means speaker watches the wind bow down the grass and the grass rise. Yes, that means the grass is uprising or moving forwards or upwards. So look here next, and when lights begin to show up from the town. So here it is seen that when the sunlights go down or it is setting down, that means light is coming from the town. When the lights begin to show up from the town, I will mark which must be mine. Okay, here speaker is telling that she is marking what belong to her, what possesses to her. I will mark which must be mine and then start down. Here it is telling that speaker speaker is going towards her home when there is no light or when the sun starts down. This is the 12 lines poem. So look here, it is 4 lines, here also 4 lines, 4, 4, 8 and 4, that means 12 lines. At the end I have given here the name of the poet is Edna St. Vincent Millay. Edna St. Vincent Millay, she is an American poet. Okay, dear students, Edna St. Vincent Millay I have told already. So look at the end, it is, I have given you your SW. Your SW is a poem Afternoon on a Hill. Okay, this is Afternoon on a Hill. Okay, in this poem you will find 12 lines, but your SW is only 10 lines. But don't forget to write the name of the poet. It is Edna St. Vincent Millay. Okay, I am telling again, SW is poem Afternoon on a Hill. Write 10 lines with the poet's name. There, students, one important things. Now I will tell you the summary of the poem like a story, so that you can easily understand. In the poem we see that speaker enjoys a beautiful afternoon on a flowery hill. What does she do? She enjoys a beautiful afternoon on a flowery hills. She sees the gentle wind, which is very much calm and quiet. And at the end we see that we should be thankful and to the grateful for the beautiful scenery to the Almighty Allah. I repeat, at the end we see that we should be grateful and thankful to the Almighty Allah for the beautiful scenery. I hope that all of you have understood this short but beautiful poem. Read the poem and try to memorize, because this you can get this in your examination, and do your SW properly. See you again, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.